Hello. In this video, we're going to be looking at how we add fractions with unlike denominators. So, okay, the first thing we have to realize is what a denominator is. So if we look at this question here, we've got 3/4 plus 1/2. Now, the denominator is the bottom number of the fraction. So we've got the 2 there, and we've got a 4 there. And when the denominators are different, it's slightly trickier to add fractions together. So this is the way that we do it. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is make both denominators the same. So we've got a 4 here and we've got a 2 here. Now, there are a couple of ways of doing this, but I will show you a certain way. And the reason I'm going to show you a certain way is because the way that I show you would be applicable to every adding fraction questions that there is. Okay, so in order to solve this, we need to make both denominators the same. We need to make the two bottom numbers of the fractions the same. And the way we can do that is by multiplying them together. So we do 4 times 2. So 4 multiplied by 2. Now, we know that 4 multiplied by 2 is 8. So underneath, what I'm going to do is rewrite the denominators as 8. Okay. I'm going to put the addition sign back here as well. Okay, but what would the new numerators be? In order to solve that, what I do is I multiply the first numerator by the second denominator. And that will be the number that appears here for my first denominator of my new fraction. So I do 3 multiplied by 2, and that gives me 6. And then what I do is I multiply the second numerator by the first denominator. And so I've got 4 times 1, which gives me 4. Okay, and now that both denominators are the same, I can just simply add the numerators together. So I do 6 plus 4 equals 10. And the denominators stay exactly the same. So my answer is 10/8, or 10 over 8. Now this answer here can be simplified. It can be changed into a mixed fraction, but don't worry about that now, okay? That's for another lesson. For now, this is a great answer, 10/8. All right, so I'm going to do it one more time, just so it's very clear. My next question is 2/5 plus 1/3. Okay, and once again, I need to make both denominators the same. So I've got 5 here and I've got 3 here. And to make them the same, I just multiply them together. So 5 multiplied by 3 is 15. So that will be my new denominator. Okay, I'm adding them together, so I'll put the addition sign here. And once again, for the first numerator, I multiply the first numerator by the second denominator, so 2 times 3, which gives me 6. And then to find the second numerator, I multiply the second numerator by the first denominator, so 1 multiplied by 5, which gives me 5. Okay, and then once again, all I have to do is add the numerators together. So 6 plus 5 equals 11. And then both denominators, they stay the same. So we don't add them together, they stay the same. So that's 15. So the answer to this question is 11/15, so 11 over 15. Okay, now that I've shown you how to do that, look at the attached worksheet and see if you can answer the questions. Thank you very much for watching.